Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use the BoldDesk AI agent in the LiveChat widget to manage customer queries automatically. For instructions on creating your first AI agent in BoldDesk, check out the video linked in the card or in the video description. I have my reception AI agent here. To add that to a LiveChat widget, navigate to the Admin Center and open the Chat module. Then select LiveChat under the Channels section. Here you can add an AI agent while creating or editing existing widgets. In the General tab, toggle Enable AI Agent and choose your preferred handover option. The Auto Assign to AI Agent option allows the selected AI agent to automatically take over customer conversations upon creation. The Manual Handover option enables conversations to be transferred to the AI agent manually via workflows. Click Update to save the changes. Note that a widget can only be mapped to one AI agent. If a workflow is configured and auto-assign mode is selected, both AI-generated messages and workflow messages will appear in parallel in the conversation. To avoid this, use Manual Handover when a workflow is configured. Now, when a customer initiates a conversation, the AI agent will automatically join and respond to their queries, ensuring faster and more consistent support. For a complete guide on BoldDesk AI agents, check out the playlist in the description. If you've learned something new, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.